Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to provide you a new promo code, two new promo codes for advanceautopart.com. So stay tuned and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you will subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, then you will get notification when I upload a new video, then you will get your codes on time. So I highly recommend you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So before wasting any time, let's get started. The code number one I'm going to provide you is you will get 15% off site wide. So the code number one is RMN15. This is the code number one. Now I'm moving towards code number two. The code number two I'm going to provide you is you will get 15% off advance orders site wide. So the code number two is GERSANDGASOLINE. This is the code number two. Simply use this promo codes and get your rewards. So thanks for watching.